Welcome. Today in front of me MOTOROLA Defy, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Please yes, I agree, be close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here the information with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also, you can find here more info about your device battery level, capacity, temperature, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.